Hey everybody, this is Nick from Quality Business Machines, and today in this video we're going to show you guys how to set up a customized camera layout in the VMS software. For those of you following along, in our last video we went ahead and showed you how to make a camera layout, but in a more basic fashion, some pre-configured setups and very simple layouts. So let's go over here to our content list. As you can see, it's already pulled up for us. Let's go to the plus symbol and click Add. And then Add Layout. That brings up this window. And we'll go ahead and give it a name. Name your layouts whatever you want. And we worked in these two top layers before, the layout setup and this 2x2 setup before, but now we're going to go down to where you see this customized bubble. We'll click on the bubble, and we'll click OK. That brings up this secondary window, and you'll see it's, I believe, a 10x10 split, a 100-box grid. The best way to think of each of these little boxes is that they're basically their own camera window. And you can customize from here in any fashion that works for you. So we'll go ahead and do a more simple customized layout here. So I go up to this top box and I click and hold and drag out to the size of box that I'd like. And it brings up this blue highlighted box around the area. And if that's the right size for what you were looking for, we'll go over here to the top left and click Merge. And then we'll go ahead and do a couple more customized windows. Okay, now that we've merged our windows and got the setup we'd like, we can go ahead and click OK. And it asks us if we'd like to automatically assign a layout. Since we're doing it customized, let's go ahead and go all the way with it and choose the cameras ourselves. So we'll deny it. That populates our customized layout in our list of layouts, and as you can see on the screen, it brought up the layout that we set up ourselves. So from there we can drop down to the camera list and do the drag and drop. So we'll just click on a camera, hold down, and drag it over and drop it in whatever window we prefer. So that's one simple but customized layout. Let's go ahead and set up a secondary customized layout. So let's go up here to the plus button and add layout. Let's give it a name. Go down to the customize icon. Click the bubble and click OK. It brings up our 10x10 grid again. If you go ahead and go up to the second box, which we haven't talked about, you'll see a reset icon. What that does is it gives us a different starting point for our grid we want to start from. We have a 10x10, a 9x9. See if I click on that, it goes by 6x6. Whatever you're looking for just a starting off point. Go back to our 10x10. All right, on this one, we'll go ahead and merge some boxes. Make one nice big window in the center. And that's the right size, and we'll click Merge. Okay, that's what we're looking for, so let's click OK. And we're going to go ahead and deny letting VMS automatically assign the cameras to our layout. That popped up in our layout list. Customize 2 is what we named it. And here's our layout. So we've got one big giant window in the center. Let's just go ahead and add some cameras to it just so you can get a feel for how this works. Each one of these boxes can be its own camera split. And some of you guys that have 34, 32, 50 cameras, you can have as big a layout as you want. Now say you wanted to get a camera over here on the left side, the content list is in the way. It's pretty simple. Just come up to the top here, drag it out of the way, grab whatever camera you were looking for to fill in, drop it in, and there you go. All right, guys, that's the first step in making a customized layout for your cameras. We'll get a little more in depth with some of the features in our following videos, but thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.